In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentages in Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to calculate percentages. Once you're in the workbook, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through B4. Having your data organized before you begin makes the formula much easier to enter and copy correctly. Next, we need to add a total score, so Excel has something to compare each result against. Click cell C1 and type total score. Then click cell C2 and enter 100. This represents the total possible score, and it will be used to calculate the percentage for each value in your score column. Now it's time to enter the percentage formula. Click cell D1 and type percentage so your new column is clearly labeled. Then click cell D2 and type an equal sign followed by B2, then a forward slash, and then C2. In other words, your formula divides the score in B2 by the total score in C2. This is the basic structure Excel uses to calculate a percentage as a decimal. There are a few small adjustments you can make depending on your worksheet. If your total score is something other than 100, simply replace the value in C2 with the number you need. If your score is stored in a different column, replace B2 with the correct cell reference. And if every row will use the same total score, you can lock that reference by changing C2 to $C$2. That keeps the total fixed when you copy the formula down. Once the formula looks right, press enter. At first, Excel may show the result as a decimal. To format it properly, select cell D2, go to the Home tab, and in the number group, click the percentage button. This converts the decimal into a percentage format, making it much easier to read. In this example, Excel returns 80%. To apply the same calculation to the rest of your data, select cell D2 again. Then drag the fill handle, which is the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell, down to D4. Excel will copy the formula to the remaining rows automatically, saving you time and keeping your calculations consistent. And that's it. You've successfully calculated percentages in Excel using a simple formula, proper formatting, and the fill handle to complete the rest of the column.